We have a problem. The problem is we off-road in this car, and we off-road in such thick foliage that we push this into the car. So most of the time it's just all the way here. And the problem with this is these are the original rear view mirrors, and we want to protect them. So I went to the internet and got this brown box. And in this brown box there is a this
mirror.
thing and this thing. So we are going to put this in a safe space, and we're going to bash this on the trees.
Okay.
This is not a difficult procedure. You will need a flathead screwdriver. And if you look at this plastic, you will notice there's a clip here and a clip here. And if only somebody said that to the previous owner, so he did not destroy this plastic all the way, but he did. He did.
What do you think? How was it destroyed?
I mean, you can see these marks from the screwdrivers. He had some other, and then I said, I want the original ones. Do you have them? Yes. Okay, then put them back. There we go. One side, the other side. Oh wow!
Is this how you open it?
Yes, those are rusty. I did not expect them to be rusty.
Of course, you need a Japan standard.
Japan industry standard.
Japan industry standard.
Yeah, get yourself some JIS bits.
Some JIS.
Yes, because I know that they look like Philips, they smell like Philips, they taste like Philips, but they're not Philips. Oh, this is... I should have bought some stainless steel bolts. Maybe we will place them at some point. Oh, no.
What? There's one more. What's wrong with this one?
It's stripped.
Fuck. Okay, full body operation.
Motherfucker.
Oh, it's going.
Wow. That was rusty. You motherfucker.
Can we put it back?
Fuck
The
no.
same? Screw.
I mean, maybe just like finger tight. But we need to replace that one. So yeah, we are going to upgrade the screws. I think they are M4 by 16.
You need to clean this.
Yes. Get some brake clean.
This is just dirt.
Yes. You put a little bit of brake clean. Then
Very clean.
Yes, then you get some paper, some thing to clean the windows with, how do you call it? Okay, so I need to go to the screw shop and get some screws again, because I don't think I have M4 screws. They are stainless steel and that short. Then you get your
Brand new
from Thailand? Thailand. And then you put your...
Yeah, you can notice something from the first glance. Do you see it? Do you see the difference?
Yes, these are illegal.
Why?
Because they are more wide and they are tall. And there's some stupid law that dictates the...
Most of the mirrors are
No.
wider than they are.
No.
Yes, they are.
No.
Yes.
Trucks, buses. You have a
This
law
is not
that
a
dictates.
truck.
You have a law that dictates the shape of the mirror depending on the shape of the car.
The shape of the car.
Yes. It's stupid.
It's very stupid, yeah.
Okay, so this rusty boy is going down here.
And how do they decide if something does not fit to the shape of the car? How do they measure?
I have no idea. I'm not saying that I'm an expert in that. I don't know why it is like that. I know that it is like that.
I would expect you have some
Inside.
more background information.
Nope. Okay, so we need some M4 by 16.
Okay.
I don't have torque specification for this. It's just like just a slight just like
Just enough that the branch does not tear it off.
And then you click it on, but you're not going to click it on.
Why not?
Because maybe I get bolt before we go somewhere with this car, and if not, I can just click it on. So yeah,
Okay. Oh.
that is not the hard thing to change on a car like this, because it has old school mirrors and no electronic parts and no
Yeah.
inside shit.
Yeah. It's they are completely analog,
Yeah.
manually operated. You need to roll down your window. Roll is the keyword.
Yes.
Roll down your window, and then adjust it.
Yes. Thank you for watching. Okay, wait. We're not done. Look what I found. These are a tad longer.
Oh. Of course.
Yes. Okay, and what we are going to do is, unfortunately, or fortunately, we are going to replace these bolts. And unfortunately, we are going to put anti-seize on it. Because when it's rusty like this, the rust is just going to spread. But hey, at least we cleaned the holes a bit. Where's my stupid expensive anti-seize? So what will happen if we put longer bolts?
I don't know, what can we hit inside?
The glass? We will find out.
Oh, you're putting anti-seize without testing the bolt?
Yeah.
That's brave.
Yeah.
Are you insane?
No. Disgusting. It will work.
Ooh.
Is the thread piece the same? Yes, it is. That is 8mm, I think. And this is 9.
Alright.
Yes. Oh, there's some high quality paint. Look there.
What?
It's already rubbed off. Oh, I brought the wrong tool. The wrong handle.
Is this working?
Yes, it's working. It's going in. It's an M5 bolt in thread. We don't have to guess much with the metric standard. I just accidentally brought the ratcheting handle instead of a screwdriver handle. So now if we break it, it's just 20 euros of damage instead of 200.
You found original mirrors somewhere?
Yes,
Where?
200 a piece.
200?
Yes, a piece.
Wow. No scratching?
Can you give me your battery, please? Your
What?
shiny light. Turn it
Oh,
on.
my shiny light. Ah!
Yeah. Just let me see inside. Oh, that is enough space. So just a small.
Perfect.
Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching
Yes.
this extended version.
Yes.
And if you're wondering what's with the other side, it's magically been done already.
Dun, dun, dun.
But the bolts were not rusty.
True.
So that means that we need to take it apart now and put stainless steel bolts. Use your imagination. Just flip the whole video and that's it.
Yeah, do that. And watch some of our other videos. Because see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.